Okay, I wanted to show some results of some screens that I have tested. I tested a lot of screens, but I finally zeroed it in to these two 13 by 13 square mesh and 14 by 14 square mesh. The 13 by 13 works the best, but it's very hard to find odd-sized screen mesh. So I've already emailed a supplier to see if I could get 13 by 13, but it's not offered on their standard mesh. They have 14 by 14 and they have 12 by 12, but 13 by 13 is not offered. So I'm checking into that. This is a test of Browntop Millet, and the lot number is 180X368BT. Okay. This is the test from the lab that I received. You can see the same lot number there. If I can get the camera to focus. Okay. And we're trying to get out Dayflower as well as this other inert matter and some of these other weed seeds over here. So I'm going to show you what I meant by it's always good to try other screens before we look at other machinery. Okay, so I have roughly the same amount here on the hand test screens. I'm going to go ahead and shake these and show you the separation. This is the 13 by 13. So we're going to shake this. Okay, then we have the 14 by 14. So I want to show you the results of the test. You can see that more fell through the 13 by 13. Obviously this is because the openings are slightly larger. And here is what fell through the 14 by 14. It's hard to see on the phone, I'm sure, but you can see that's a lot of the weed seed that remained in there after this had been cleaned over your 67D Clipper seed cleaner. So if we could get you this screen, this is going to greatly improve this sample. So I wanted to show you that. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.